Hi, this is John with Hilbrands Carpet Care. A lot of customers ask me, what does it take to get rid of these carpet indentations from furniture? Um, so really time is your best friend with these, but to make them, all carpets expand while they're wet and constrict while they're drying. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna saturate each one of these little spots before I start the steam cleaning and then proceed. It's not really anything that we would charge extra for, but it's kind of a normal thing that cleaners do. Now, if you weren't having your carpet steamed, people have put ice cubes in each one of them. Basically, spray a mist bottle. Basically, it's wetting them, letting them expand, but you don't want to leave them so wet that you're going to have this huge wet spot. So because we're carpet cleaning, we're just going to saturate each one, and then we'll proceed forward, and then I'll show you the after of what a normal steam cleaning would do with carpet indentations. Okay, so let's go take a look in the master bedroom. We're at those furniture marks. So they're mostly gone. That extra wetting probably made it improve a bit than just normal steam cleaning. Obviously, it's going to do better with steam cleaning than it would if it was dry cleaned, because it's that moisture that causes things to expand. Even over here where the heavier furniture is mostly gone. Remember that if carpet has good padding that's pushing up and a tighter carpet that's pulling, between the pushing and the pulling, it's going to want to straighten out in time. If it has loose carpet and weaker padding, it may never go away, even if it's allowed to expand with moisture. So that's why there's so much variance out there of how long things take for the furniture marks to go away. Some things will just take more time. You can have your carpet stretched, and maybe that will make an improvement. But if the ice cube doesn't work or steam cleaning doesn't work, generally you just have to give it some time. And I hope I've helped answer this question. This has been John Hilbrands with Hilbrands Carpet Care. Thank you. So we're all finished here and the carpet looks great and most of the marks are gone. So that extra wetting caused it to expand, and then as it's drying it's going to constrict, and that'll mostly get rid of the furniture marks. That being said, some areas don't do as well, and that's where the heavier furniture was. And that might take a bit longer, so time is your friend. Carpet has padding that's pushing up on it, and the tightness is pulling on it. So between those two, the wrinkle wants to go away on its own, and by giving it a little moisture, making it swell, it'll go away a bit quicker. If you have loose carpet and weaker or thinner padding, it's not going to fare as well as a tighter carpet with better padding. But you can also put an ice cube on those furniture marks or a little bit of mist bottle, and that could help as well. But as a truck-mounted steam cleaner, doing a little extra by wetting them will make them go away a bit faster for you. So this has been John Hilbrands with Hilbrands Carpet Care. If you are in our area, Temecula, give us a call and we'd be happy to work for you as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.